Find out what's going on. Get involved. Change things from the inside. Make a difference. Take pride. Multicultural at its best. The Luisa Marshall Show. Coming up.
We're back today for more Simply the Best of Manila Sound. But before we conclude our special interview with Hotdog Band's frontman, Rene Garcia, allow us to thank you all for your continued support. You inspired our team to make us work so hard throughout the years. And we will do our best to maintain the quality and integrity that we committed to all our supporters. On today's show, the finale of the Best of Manila Sounds, my interview with Hotdog's Rene Garcia, bringing you more original Manila sound experience. Also, we are featuring an award-winning restaurant in Kelowna, BC, the Bohemian Cafe on Creating Lifestyles. Are you ready to get more inspired? Please stay tuned.
I bet you'll have a blast because it's going to be a cool concert. Thousands of people cannot go wrong. Toronto cannot go wrong. New York, New Jersey, Chicago.
Welcome to our Season 6 premiere. The Hotdog Band became a huge musical phenomenon in the 70s, founded by brothers Dennis and Rene Garcia, that started the Filipino music revolution, known as the original Filipino music. Hotdog's biggest hit song, Manila, Manila, became an undying favorite of millions of Filipinos all over the world. Rene and the Hotdog Band has recently brought Manila to many cities all over the world, including Vancouver. Here's Rene and the rest of his awesome Hotdog Band for more beautiful original Filipino music. can you say to all those other Filipinos back home or all over the world to uplift Filipino music? What can you say to them?
What I say is feet on the ground. Never put anything up into your head. Remember, these are just borrowed talents from God.
Sasabihin sa'yo sa piling mo'y tanggalan kamay, may kasiyahan walang kapantay. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. I want the guys to sing to your partners. All the guys, hurry up. Sakit ng ulo'y tanggal bigla, ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Aanhin ko ang ganda ng iba, maduduling lang ang aking mga mata, butas pa ang bulsa. Join me. We love you, Vancouver! Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Ilang beses ko ba naman sasabihin sa'yo malinaw na malinaw Filipinos in the world, Miss Universe ng buhay ko. We love you.
We'll be back with more Hotdog experience. Don't go away.
Kung ikaw ay isang panaginip, ayoko na mag-isip.
Before we give you more Manila sound from the fantastic Hotdog Band, we want to take you to an award-winning restaurant in Kelowna to meet Hans Birker of the Bohemian Cafe. day in Kelowna. Hans, how are you?
I'm great, thank you very much.
Wow, you have quite a busy place here.
Yeah, even when it's cloudy, people still come in and put a little sunshine into our restaurant. I love food. I grew up in a food business. My mom and dad had a sausage factory, and I loved food all my life. I went traveling, worked in a restaurant on a casual basis, and fell in love with doing it. So I thought I'd better do this for a living. Yeah.
So this is voted as the best in Kelowna.
Yeah, we're very proud of that.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. They love how we make everything with lots of natural ingredients. We make a lot of things from scratch. They love our people and our atmosphere too. Our servers are really natural, and as you can see, the customers are just a wonderful bunch of people, so they add to the vibrancy of the place.
How long have you been here?
We've been here 24 years.
24 years, wow.
A little bit crazy, yep.
Yeah. So you really, do you cook?
I did, but I have 30 staff now, and I have to manage them and the customers more than the food, so I can cook, but I don't anymore. Yeah.
You don't need to, huh?
No, I don't need to. I have fantastic people who are actually better at the cooking than I am, so why not let them do it, right?
Exactly. I checked your menu, and everything there seemed like really healthy.
Yeah, it is. It's not necessarily bare bones, no fat or anything like that. But it's healthy in the sense that it's all fresh and made locally as much as possible, and yeah, it's really good soul food.
Well, it's nice to be here, coming all the way from Vancouver, and I hope all my Vancouver viewers, when you come to Kelowna this summer, come check it out.
I'd also like to give a shout out to my wife, Terry. Love you. She did an amazing job. She does all the decorating in here and the mural and designing the whole place. And she keeps me motivated every day. And my kids too. Thank you. Please do come by and see us. We'll show you a great time. We love our city. We love our cafe. And this is a good launching spot for a day of touring around downtown and all of Kelowna.
Thank you, Hans.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Simply the best, right?
Simply the best.
Simply the best, Bohemian Cafe.
That's why I'm very honored to be to represent the Philippines through music. I get to meet a lot of people, and then I get a chance to talk about our country and talk about the good things in life about Filipinos, whether bad or good.
We have to embrace it all. Embrace Hotdog. I love them. We're gonna get inspired. Manila, Manila. Rene!
I keep coming back to Manila.
Maraming beses na kita iniasa, iniwanan na ibang pinuntahan. Parang babaeng ang hirap talagang malimutan. Ikaw lamang ang aking laging binabalikan.
Rex Navarrete is coming to town, the premier Filipino-American comedian. Friday, November 7th, early and late shows at the Columbia Theater in New Westminster. Tickets available at flipfunny@hotmail.com. Brace yourselves again. Luisa Marshall as Tina Turner at the Salt Spring Island Legion, November 21st, Friday, showtime at 8 p.m. Tickets available at brownpapertickets.com. Symphony Hill, in cooperation with the Consulate General of the Philippines in Vancouver, present Philippine Fest, a Filipino festival at Aberdeen Center. It's a dazzling showcase of Filipino culture, arts, entertainment, sports, handicrafts, and food. Sunday, November 23rd, from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. For more information, please call 604-551-3360 or 604-808-8945. Don't miss the Luisa Marshall Band at the Personas at Edgewater Casino, Friday, December 12th, Saturday, December 13th. Showtime starts at 9 p.m. No cover charge.
This is Rex Navarrete. Guess what? I'm coming up. I'm playing inside of Vancouver. It's been a while, so I'll be at the Columbia Theater Friday, November 7th. There's going to be a 7:30 and a 10 p.m. show. That's right, early one and a late one. The late one might get a little so don't bring the children. For more information, go to my website at rexnavarrete.com. You can get tickets through the links there. But otherwise, I'll see you guys very soon.
Really weird and really cool to be Filipino, but people always want me to explain what Filipino is. We're the Los Latinos.
Thanks to Rene Garcia, the Hotdog Band, Goldie. Thanks to Hans Birker and the Bohemian Cafe staff for the hospitality. A big, warm, heartfelt thanks to Paul Pincott of Canamin Portique for providing us our home here at the Lake City studio for over 4 years. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good luck on your new venture, Paul. We're gonna miss this place. We'll see you all at the Rex Navarrete show on November 7th at the Columbia Theater. Thanks for watching. Please don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, always be kind. Let's stop bullets. Mwah.